Hey everyone, Chip Kosei here with the Kosei Law Firm in the latest edition of Laws for Life. Today I'd like to talk to you about how insurance companies list your coverage on a policy because there's a few different ways that they do it. Some policies you'll hear people say, oh, well, in terms of coverage, I have 25/50 or I have 100/300. And I'm always getting these questions from clients about, well, what exactly does that mean? Because, if a person has 300,000 of coverage, does it mean that another person would be entitled to it if they have an accident with injuries that substantiate that kind of loss? Well, the question or the answer is no. Insurance companies list it if they say 100/300. That means no one person can receive more than $100,000 and no group of people can receive more than $300,000. Now the reason why I chose the 100/300 examples, I want to give you some illustrations. So let's say that there are two people in a vehicle. Those two people can each get a maximum of $100,000. The fact that there's a total of 300 does not allow them to each get $150,000 because the per person limit is $100,000. Now, if they had three people in the vehicle, same thing holds true. Each person could get up to $100,000. Now, where it gets a little dicey is if, let's say, there are four people in the accident. Well, now there's no way that each person can get 100 because that would be 400 and the maximum is 300. So those four people would have to somehow split $300,000. There's a second way that insurance companies list coverage, and that's what's called a CSL policy. That stands for Combined Single Limits. Instead of giving this amount and that amount, they'll just give one amount. It might say 500,000 CSL. That means we don't care how you split it up, we don't care how many people are in the car, the maximum you can get is $500,000. So if there's one person in the car and their claim is worth it, they could get $500,000. If there's 10 people in the car, it has to go by what the value of each person's injuries are. It may come up to $500,000, it could be less, who knows. I hope this information is helpful for you. If you have any questions, please email me, chip@koseilaw.com, and we'll talk again soon. Thanks a lot.